If you ever want to pause your Instagram account for a while and then activate it again, just open the Instagram app on your phone and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From there, click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right to open the menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy, and from there go into the Account Center. Scroll down until you see Personal Details and tap on it. Now you'll find an option called Account Ownership and Control. Tap on it, then choose Deactivation or Deletion, and pick the Instagram account you want to disable. Make sure the option for Deactivate account is selected, then press Continue. After that, you'll be asked to enter your account password. Once you type it in, Instagram will show you a list of reasons for deactivation. Choose the reason that works for you and tap Continue. Then press the Deactivate Account button, and you'll see a confirmation message that your account has been temporarily disabled. When it comes to reactivating your account, it's super easy. All you need to do is switch back to your account, and it will automatically open again without any extra steps. And that's the whole process.